In today's video, work continues on our heavily damaged E63s. So previously we did replace the flitch, we also replaced the quarter panel as well as the pan roof. So this car is ready for the next stage, which is going to be the prep and paint. So make sure you guys stay tuned until the end of the video to see the result.
So as you guys seen at the start of the video, we painted up the chassis, so everything's all done now. We've also started work on the glass and finished it all up. So we placed the front glass first, we lined it up with there's two brackets inside. If you don't know if you can see on camera, there's two brackets, so make sure our roof is nice and lined up.
So for now guys, we are going to focus on the interior of the car. It does need a proper clean, so once we cleaned up all the floor, we're going to be fitting all our carpets in and the seats as well. But we also need to make sure all our cables and modules are, fit back up and in the right place as well. So we'll do that. We'll give the car clean. We'll start fitting up the flooring. We'll get the carpets in. We'll get the seats in, the side panels, the roof lining. So there is quite a lot to do to actually get all the interior fitted back up. But that's going to be the next step now. So let's get all the interior fit back up. It is the next day and our two doors are nice and dry. If you take a look back here, guys, we've got the next two doors ready to go in. We have already painted the inside of both doors, so now it's time to actually paint the outside. So if you take a look back here, you'll see that we have put the interior back together and we have upgraded quite a few things. So the dash trim is carbon fiber, so is the center console trim, and we've upgraded the vents as well. These are the LED vents that match the same color as the original OEM LEDs. We've also got the carbon steering wheel as well, and also the bucket style AMG seats. So yeah, the interior is pretty much done apart from the parcel shelf, so we are going to be fitting that up later on, but for now our main focus is going to be these two doors here. Like I said before, the inside's already painted, we just got to paint the outside of the doors. So yeah guys, once we've done that, we're going to be fitting everything back up. I think what we'll do for now is we'll fit these two doors back up on the car because they are nice and dry, and then we'll start spraying up these two doors out here.
All four doors are fitted up and we've also done the alignment.
As well as the alignment on the doors, we've also done the alignment to the back of the car as well. So the tailgate, the rear bumper, you've got the carbon rear diffuser on there as well, along with the aftermarket exhaust tips. So the back of the car is all aligned, fitted up, same with the doors as well. So the next step is going to be the front of the car.
So actually close to the finishing line now guys, what we're going to do is we're going to fit the bonnet up and get the wings on and align it up and also fit the headlights in. So our panels should be nice and dry. We got the wings in the spray booth that we painted last night and the bonnet's actually ready and that's already dried.
So we were almost done putting the bumper back together, but we had hit a problem. The parking sensor brackets were completely missing, and without them the sensors won't stay in place, so we had to order them directly from Mercedes, and it took a week to arrive. So 1 week has passed and we have received delivery from the dealership, guys. So we've got the 2 brackets that were needed for the parking sensors, so we're going to get these fitted up right now. Before fitting the bumper, we decided to do a pressure test on the AC pipes. It's got a leak. So after doing the pressure test, we realised there is a leak somewhere, so we need to figure out which one of the AC pipes is leaking so we can sort the issue.
Coming from here.
So we found the AC pipe that was leaking, and it was leaking for a simple reason. We just forgot to put the washer back in. So we did put the washer back, we tightened everything back up, and we retested the system, and no leaks, problem solved. So the front bumper and the alignment is all sorted out now, guys. So the front of the car is pretty much finished. We lined up the headlights as well on both sides. That took a bit longer than what we expected. So next step is going to be the actual brakes themselves, because we have got a spongy brake pedal, haven't we?
Yeah, so what we've done was when we removed the engine, we were working on the chassis, we removed the ABS pump, so that will need to be all bled. So what we'll do is we'll put the pressure bleeder on, and that will put pressure in the system, and we'll bleed all the pipes and get all the air out.
With the bleed kit hooked up and the pressure built up in the bottle, we started off by going through each of the lines going into the ABS, bleeding them one by one. Eventually we made our way down to the calipers, doing the same thing again, bleeding each caliper to make sure there's no air in the system. We are finally at the last stage of this build. Now with the brakes all bled, it's time to start fitting the arch liners and the under trays. And the final touch, the alloy wheels. So we decided to go for these silver diamond cut alloy wheels, as we thought they do stand out a lot more with the black. And obviously the black alloy wheels are a lot more aggressive, so let us know what you guys think. Would you have picked the silver or the black? Before we can go for the test drive, we need to get the alignment and the tracking dialed in. After such a big rebuild, we need to make sure everything is as it should be and back to factory spec.
The E63 is finally complete after months and months of work. So we're not actually doing this full time, so we're only doing like 3-4 hours a day on it. So considering the amount of damage, it's taken us a lot longer than actually expected.
I mean, if we only had front end damage, guys, this car would have been done many months ago, but obviously we had damage to the quarter panel as well, also the roof, so it took us quite a bit of time to get to this stage, but like Z mentioned, we are doing this.
Yeah, and I also went on loads of holidays this year.
Yeah, he did take about 3-4 holidays in between. But yeah, guys, we're finally there. The car's completely finished now. There was quite a few sensors that needed resetting. I think most of them are done now.
Yeah, so we had the ADAS sensor that needed calibrating. We had the stain rack one and a few other ones that all need to be calibrated, and also the pan roof as well.
There's only one sensor left that we need to sort out. It's actually this front one here, guys. It's basically, we're getting a message telling us to clean the sensor. One thing we realize is this badge is not the official badge for this car, and it is blocking the sensor which is sat behind it from actually reading the signal.
Active brake assist.
Yeah, that's the one. So we'll have to get the one that's actually compatible with the sensor. Let's just show them around. Let's just show them what we've done. So shall we start off with the rims?
So in terms of the alloy wheel, guys, as you can see, we have replaced them. We had the black ones on there before. I mean, everyone has blacks. We thought it would be a bit different and break up and get the full diamond cut on there. And also the alloys are actually wrapped up in P4Ss.
So we also made some subtle changes to the car. If you guys take a look around, you might not notice them on camera, but we have actually installed carbon fiber mirror caps on obviously on both sides. And if you take a look down here, the side skirt does have a carbon fiber trim running across the full length. And also we've got the carbon fiber badge just along here. We have got the carbon fiber front lower lip as well. So we have installed a super aggressive looking rear diffuser on the back of the car. It is made out of carbon fiber. It has got the Brabus exhaust tips. These are the only exhaust tips that actually fit the rear diffuser. It's also got the F1 brake light. We wired it in such a way it doesn't flash, it just stays on solid. So if you do hit the brake, it's not going to flash, it just turns on and off. So yeah guys, that rear diffuser makes the car look much more aggressive compared to what the OEM rear diffuser looks like. So not only do we have carbon fiber on the outside of the car, we've also got carbon fiber on the inside. All the door cards have the carbon fiber trims. You got the carbon fiber dash, center console carbon fiber.
So the steering wheel's all dripped in carbon fiber. Also another thing I want to mention to you guys is there's no errors on the dash. The only error is, well, it's not really an error, is the low fuel.
And also guys, the vents as well, they all light up. The bucket seats, forgot to mention that. So the interior looks much better than what it did when we actually bought the car. So yeah guys, the inside, the outside of the car is completely different to what it was before. And we are really happy with how it's come out. So comment down below if there's any changes you guys would have made to the car.
So we have done a stage 1 map on it. So it's pushing about 950 newton meters of torque and roughly about 700 brake. So we let the engine get up to temperature and we'll give it a few revs and see how it sounds. So we just got back from a short test drive guys, and the car actually sounds really good. It sounds like an animal. In every gear you can actually feel the G-force in it, so there's a lot of power to it as well.
Yeah guys, also we did fit a tracker as well as a ghost immobilizer on this car as well. Thanks to our mate T from, is it Gone Ghost?
Yeah, Gone Ghost.
Yeah guys, so I'm going to put his description, sorry, I'm going to put his details in the description, so guys go check him out. You know, he's helped us out quite a lot, so also, if you want a tracker doing, if you want a ghost immobilizer fitting, you can
also another thing guys, if you mention us, you'll get 20% off.
Well there you go guys, he'll give you 20% off. But yeah guys, go check him out, link in the description. But yeah, that's it for the E63s build.
And let us know what sort of cars you guys actually want to see. Do you want to see high-end cars? You want to see classic cars? Because yeah, we just want to get a few options of what you guys actually want to see.
Yeah guys, so we're going to end the video there. Thanks a lot for watching, and yeah, just follow us on social media, follow us on Instagram, on TikTok as well. And yeah, we'll be posting quite regularly on TikTok now. And yeah, that's it for now.
Yeah, we actually come a long way from when the car actually was what it was before to what it is now.
Yeah, we finally got there. The car's back together now. It looks pretty much like it's just come back from the showroom, to be honest. So yeah guys, we'll see you in the next one, and it's goodbye for now.